Christmas season is starting. It's time to get ready to elf out. I first get my hair back away from my ears. Then we put on our makeup. I put on a foundation. Then I blend the foundation. Then I take some bronzer and I define my cheekbones, jawline. And then I deepen my eyes and my nose bridge with the bronzer. And now I take a white eyeshadow for my eyelids. And then I put a dark brown around, and then a little bit of black, and I blend a little bit. And now I get my glitter eyeshadow gels called Hard Candy. Found these at Walmart. I put silver on top of the white, and I put blue on top of the dark brown shadow. And now I get one of those 24-hour lip colors. I like a nice bright red. And while it's still wet, I take the magenta eyeshadow gel and I pull that across the lip color. Makes my lips extra sparkly. And now I take my hottest pink blush and I do as close to perfect circles as I can on each cheek. Make sure I have the blend just right. Now it's time to put on the cat eyes. I like to start at a point between the tip of my eyebrow and the outer corner of my eye. And then I make a little triangle, and then I fill in with a straight line starting to the center of my nose. And then I fill in that triangle. I'm just evening it out on both sides. And now it's time to apply some fun teardrops and swirls and some stars and some sparkly dots. Do it on the other side. And then, of course, add a little more glitter on top of that. And now, the fake eyelashes. Ta-da! And now we choose a pair of ears to put on. I'm going to have to remove my reading glasses for this to get them just right. And now for some fun. Here's a red ornament. And voila, red elf. Here's me in my red and green elf costume. Ta-da! Oh, and look, here's a blue ornament. Here's me in my blue and gold outfit. All ready for Christmas. Bye.